Naibahagi ng aktor na si Jericho na hindi sila nagkakailangan sa set ni Janine kahit meron ng espesyal na namamagitan sa dalawa. Gumaganap bilang mag-asawa ngayon si Janine at Jericho Rosales sa Lavender Fields. I'm just really very happy on the professional side. I'm just so happy with these guys. I love them. But in the personal side, all of these people that I work with love her. So it just feels light. Everything just feels light. We're professionals on set. We can joke about it off screen. It's just a really good balance. Nakangiting pahayag ni Jericho. Sinabi ng aktor na malayong malayo sa tunay na buhay ang kanyang karakter bilang si Tyrone De Vera o Arthur Pelaez. I'm very far from my character talaga. I don't like revenge. I don't take revenge. Hopefully, I was able to contribute also. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, ito si Jericho. Walang pagbabago or minsan, namumulot ng mga nahuhulog na prutas sa puno. Natatawang paglalahad niya. Magtatatlong dekada ng aktibo sa show business si Jericho. Sa loob ng 30 taong nakalipas ay naaral na ng aktor kung paano makitungo sa mga taong hindi nagpapakatotoo o yung tinatawag na mga plastic. If you're plastic in front of us, you're not going to get anything. Because what we give you is the truth and we are very sensitive to people who are not real. That's our job, to pretend, okay? So you might as well make friends with us. Be friends with us. Be real with us. Because that's what counts. In showbiz, authenticity is what counts. That's the currency. Giit ng aktor.